You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word? This is the name of a plant, a flower, that lives in ponds, and it's also the name of a British automotive manufacturer. In both cases, the English pronunciation is as lotus. That's British English, by the way. Lotus. The stress is on the first syllable. Lotus. Now in American English, in the US, the T is pronounced like a flap T, so that sounds like a D. Lotus. Lotus. Let's say in the US, or lotus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.